Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of engine controllers, specifically the innovative S800 engine controller by MurCal. Whether you're in the industry or just a tech enthusiast, you'll find the capabilities of this device truly remarkable. Let's get started. The S800 isn't just any engine controller. It's designed to automate the entire process around starting, running, and stopping engines powered by natural gas and LPG. But what makes it stand out? Let's find out. Flexibility is at the heart of the S800. Operators can select start and stop types based on various criteria like water level, pressure, single contact, and preset times. This means tailored operation that fits exactly what you need. Multiple fuel types? No problem. The S800 allows for the selection between natural gas and LPG, or even set to auto to switch between the two based on availability. It's all about ensuring your engine runs efficiently, no matter the fuel source. One of the S800's most impressive features is its independence. It can operate an engine solo, without needing to connect to a central controller, PLC, or SCADA system. Yet, it's also designed to play well with others, easily integrating into a fleet and communicating with existing systems for seamless operation. It's all about ensuring your engine runs efficiently, no matter the fuel source. In a lead-lag setup, the S800 shines, cycling engines to ensure even usage and maintenance. Plus, it keeps a vigilant eye on engine running hours and communicates with the AFR for critical emissions data. Now, let's talk sensors. The S800 doesn't just monitor, it protects. With programmable alarms for a comprehensive list of sensors, your engine's health is always in check. From oil pressure to manifold pressure, temperature readings, and even vibration, it's covered. Communication is key, and the S800 uses the Modbus protocol for data sharing, supporting a variety of ports and connections like Serial, Ethernet, RS485, CAN, and J1939. This ensures your data is where you need it, when you need it. Control at your fingertips. The main selector for operation mode, fuel selector for energy source, and throttle selector for engine speed, all designed for ease of use. Whether you're manually starting the engine or relying on automated processes, the S800 adapts to your needs. The MurCal S800 engine controller isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a central part of your engine's performance and reliability. From customizable alarms to seamless integration and precise control, it's engineered to elevate your operation to the next level. That's it for today. If you're as excited about the S800 as I am, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time.